Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone.
Jack, are you okay? You look a little tired today.
Oh, Emma, I am very tired. It's Monday. I have the Monday blues.
Monday blues? That means you are sad because the weekend is over, right?
Exactly. Back to reality, back to work. My job is very busy right now. I have so many emails to answer.
Poor Jack. But actually, talking about work is perfect for today's lesson.
Is it? Why?
Because work is a huge part of our lives. When you meet a new person, the first question is, what is your name? Do you know the second question?
Let me guess. Is it, what do you do?
Correct. What do you do means, what is your job?
It is a very common question, but many students only know how to say, I am a student, or I am an office worker.
Today, we will help you say much more. We will talk about where you work, your boss, and even your salary.
If that sounds useful, please hit the subscribe button to learn real English with us every week.
And click like if you are ready to get to work. Let's go.
Okay, Emma, let's start with the big question. What do you do?
Well, I have two jobs actually. I am an English teacher and I am also a content creator for YouTube.
Wow, 2 jobs. Are they full-time?
No, my teaching job is part-time.
Part-time. That means you work only a few hours a day, right?
Yes, I work in the morning for 4 hours. It gives me free time in the afternoon. What about you, Jack? What do you do?
I work in an office. I am an office manager at a bank.
Is that a part-time job?
No. It is a full-time job.
Full-time usually means 40 hours a week, right? Like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.?
Exactly. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. It is a very standard schedule.
So, Jack, you work at a bank. That means you have to go to the office every day?
Yes, I have to commute every morning.
Commute?
Commute means the travel from my house to my work. I take the bus. It takes 45 minutes.
45 minutes? That is a long time. Is the traffic bad?
The traffic is terrible in the morning, but I like the office. It has free coffee and air conditioning. What about you? Do you commute?
No, I usually work from home.
Work from home. That sounds like a dream. Do you work in your pajamas?
Sometimes. I sit on my sofa, open my laptop, and I start working. It is very comfortable.
But is it hard to focus? I think I would be lazy if I stayed home.
It can be hard. Sometimes I want to watch TV instead of working, but I save a lot of time because I don't have to commute.
That is true. But Emma, if you work from home, you are alone. Do you miss having colleagues?
Colleagues are the people you work with, right?
Yes, your coworkers.
I do miss them sometimes. It can be a little lonely working alone. What about your colleagues? Do you get along with them?
Yes, mostly. We usually go to lunch together. We talk and laugh. It makes the day go faster.
That is nice. And what about your boss?
Ah, the boss. The manager.
Is he strict?
My boss is a woman. And yes, she is a little strict. She wants everything to be perfect, but she is fair.
That is good. A good boss is very important. If the boss is angry all the time, the job is terrible.
So, Emma, be honest. Do you like your job?
I do. I love being creative, but it is very stressful sometimes.
Stressful. That means it makes you worry.
Yes, I have many deadlines. I have to make videos quickly. Sometimes I feel tired. What about you? Do you like your job?
It's okay. It's not very exciting, but the salary is good.
Salary. That is the money they pay you, right?
Yes, we all need a salary to live. I get paid once a month.
And what is your favorite part of the job?
My favorite part? My favorite part is my day off.
A day off. That means the day you don't work.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday are my days off. I can sleep, relax, and forget about the boss.
I think everyone loves their day off.
Absolutely.
That was a fun chat about our jobs. But Jack, we used some very useful words.
Yes, if you want to talk about your work life, these are the 8 words you must know. Let's break them down.
Word number 1 is full-time.
A full-time job usually means you work about 40 hours a week. For example, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Example, my father has a full-time job at a bank.
Word number 2 is the opposite, part-time.
A part-time job has fewer hours. Maybe you only work in the mornings or only 3 days a week. Students often have part-time jobs. Example, I have a part-time job at a coffee shop.
Word number 3 is a verb, commute.
To commute means to travel from your house to your workplace. You can commute by bus, by car, or by train. Example, I commute to London every day by train. It takes 1 hour.
Word number 4 is colleague.
Your colleagues are the people you work with. You can also call them co-workers, but colleague sounds a bit more professional. Example, I like my colleagues. We often eat lunch together.
Word number 5 is boss.
The boss is the manager, the person who tells you what to do. Example, my boss is very friendly, but she is strict about time.
And word number 6 is everyone's favorite, salary.
Your salary is the money you receive for doing your job. Usually you get it once a month. Example, doctors usually have a high salary.
And word number 7 describes a feeling, stressful.
If a job is stressful, it makes you feel worried or tired because there's too much work to do. Example, being a police officer can be a very stressful job.
And finally, number 8, day off.
A day off is a day when you do not go to work. You stay home and relax. Example, I work on Saturdays, so my day off is Monday.
So we have full-time, part-time, commute, colleague, boss, salary, stressful, and day off.
These words help you describe how you work and how you feel about your work.
Now let's see how to use them in a real situation. Imagine you meet an old friend on the street.
Let's practice.
Okay, Jack, we have the words. Now let's use them.
Yes, let's pretend we are old friends. We haven't seen each other for a long time.
And we meet on the street by accident.
Perfect. Let's go. Action. Emma, is that you?
Jack, wow, long time no see.
It has been years. You look great.
Thanks, you too. So what do you do now? Are you still a student?
No, I graduated. Now I work at a bank in the city center.
A bank? Wow. Is it a full-time job?
Yes, I work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5.
Do you like it?
I do. My colleagues are very nice, so we have fun. And the commute is short, only 10 minutes by bus.
That is lucky. A short commute is the best.
It is. What about you? Where do you work?
I work for a marketing company. It is also a full-time job.
That sounds interesting. Is the salary good?
The salary is very good, to be honest, but the job is very stressful.
Oh no, why?
Because my boss is very strict. He gives me too much work. I am always tired.
I'm sorry to hear that. You need a break. When is your day off?
My day off is Sunday.
Great. Let's go for coffee this Sunday. We can relax and talk more.
That sounds perfect. See you on Sunday, Jack.
And scene.
That was a good conversation. It's very natural to ask, do you like your job or is the salary good?
Yes, just be careful with the salary question. Only ask it to close friends.
Good point. Don't ask a stranger about their salary.
Did you hear how we used the words? Is it a full-time job? The commute is short. My boss is strict.
These phrases help you tell a story about your life, not just your job title.
So practice this conversation with a partner. Ask them, when is your day off?
Exactly.
Well done, everyone. You made it to the end of the workday.
See? Talking about your job is not difficult. You just need to say what you do, where you work, and how you feel about it.
And don't forget the new words: commute, colleague, salary, and day off. Try to use them when you talk to your friends.
Now, before you go, we want to know about you. Here is our question of the day.
It is very simple. We want to ask, what do you do?
Are you a student? Do you have a full-time job or maybe a part-time job?
Please write in the comments, I am a student, or I am an office worker, or I am a doctor.
And if you are brave, tell us, do you like your job? Is it fun or is it stressful?
We read every single comment, so please share your story with us.
If this lesson helped you, please give us a like. Thumbs up. It helps us keep our jobs.
And make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Thank you for working hard with us today. Enjoy your day off.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.